ready to unlock the secrets hidden within your network and become a digital detective. Let's get you set up with Wireshark on Windows 10 in just a few easy steps. First, let's make sure your system is ready. Wireshark runs smoothly on most modern Windows 10 computers, but having at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor will ensure optimal performance, especially when capturing large amounts of data. Next, open your favorite web browser and head over to Wireshark.org. That's Wireshark.org. Once you're on the site, navigate to the download section. You'll see several options, so make sure to select the Windows installer that matches your system architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit if you're unsure which one to choose. A quick Google search for Check Windows 10 architecture will guide you. Click the download button to start the process. After the download is complete, locate the installer file, usually in your downloads folder, and double-click it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the license agreement and clicking next through the initial setup screens. Pay close attention to the component selection screen. It's highly recommended to install Npcap, the packet capture library. This is crucial for Wireshark to be able to actually see the network traffic on your system. Make sure Npcap is checked. And you might also want to consider installing the Npcap option if you need to capture traffic from USB devices. Continue through the installation process, accepting the default settings unless you have specific preferences. Once the installation is complete, launch Wireshark. You should see a list of available network interfaces on your system. Select the interface you want to capture traffic from, usually your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter, and start capturing packets by clicking the blue shark fin icon. And there you have it. Wireshark is now installed and ready to use. Explore the interface, experiment with filters to narrow down your traffic, and start unraveling the mysteries of your network. Now you are on your way to troubleshooting network problems. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy packet sniffing!